Today, I will show you how to earn 10% from arbitration with the Quantrix exchange. We go to the course of the Ethereum coin and see that it costs more here than on Binance. Go to the deposit tab and make a deposit in Ethereum for $1,000. As you see, the money is already loaded to the exchange. Now we go and sell our ETH for USDT. As you can see, we got roughly $1,100. Now go to withdrawal and withdraw our money to Binance. As you can see, we have earned 10% on this exchange. Without verification. You can trade for no more than 4 Bitcoins. Enjoy your earnings.